As the question says, figure shows the graph of velocity versus time for a particle going along the x-axis. Find the acceleration, the distance traveled in 0 to 10 seconds and the displacement in 0 to 10 seconds. So let us start with the acceleration. Since we know that acceleration is the slope of Vt curve, so we can take it from here that drawing a parallel line at the coordinate 0, 2, so that we can get this height as 8 minus 2, that is 6, and this distance being from 0 to 10, that is 10. So we can have the acceleration as 6 upon 10, that is the slope of this straight line, that is 0.6 meter per second square. Now let us move forward with the second part of this question, in which we need to find out the distance traveled from 0 to 10 seconds. We know that the initial velocity is 2 meter per second from here. The final velocity is 8, which is from here. Acceleration is 0.6, which we found out in part A. So we need to find out the distance s. So s is equals to ut plus half a t square, and that we can write as 2 into 10 plus half into 0.6 into 10 whole square, giving us 50 meters. Now proceeding with the third and the last part of this question, in which we find out the displacement. Now displacement, as we have find out the distance in the second part, the displacement is also 50 meters, because the particle is moving with a constant acceleration. So if it starts from some point with some velocity, here it is 2, and moves with a constant acceleration, then there is no point, rather we can say it that it will never turn back, because in order to change its direction we need to have negative acceleration at some point of time, and since we are not having negative acceleration, therefore the displacement s and the distance d need to be the same.